When Australia was riding on a sheep's back, Arnold Potts was a farmer in Kojonup. A statue of Potts has been erected in Kojonup to recognise his contribution to freedom of the Australian people. Potts, for a short but pivotal period in August and September in 1942, was a commanding officer of the Australian troops on the Kojonup Trail in New Guinea. The leadership he provided denied the Japanese their goal of taking Port Moresby. Under Potts' leadership, the Australians performed a strategic withdrawal. This had the effect of preserving Australian lives while sapping the Japanese of vital energy. The Kojonup track, or if you prefer trail campaign, was an epic struggle between the Australians and the Japanese. Our freedom was paid for by the lives of many young Australians. 625 Australians were killed on Kojonup. One was Bernard Walsh. Bernard from Boulder, Western Australia, was just 25 when he was killed at Kojonup. He had been under Potts' command in Syria and on Kojonup. Bernard was Arnie Jones' brother. Plaques within the memorial tell the story of Kojonup. Arnold Potts, a man of courage, faith, integrity and compassion.